not only am I thinking different to a scenario at the start to a scenario at the end, but it's the feelings I have in my body. I've felt my shoulders just relax, I've felt the release. So for me it's physical, but it's also like mentally I've just let go of so much stuff. It's nothing I've ever experienced. Fear of rejection has definitely held me back by not feeling as if I'm good enough. What it's cost me so far is almost probably my life. It's made me feel very unworthy of being a mother or being a wife as well. If I keep fear of rejection, I will lose hope because I won't be doing the things that I want to do, the things that I'm passionate about, the things that I love. I think I should be able to, in life, be able to do what I love. So if I hold it, I won't move forward. Then I'll stay stuck. I can't even fathom what that, I'm not good enough. Like, it just makes me giggle because I'm like, really? Yeah, I'm like, oh, I feel a little bit sorry for myself that I actually ever thought like that. Fear of rejection for me now, I'm not worried about it at all. Fear of success, now I feel that, it's just like fear of success. I'm actually going to have to hold myself back because abundance is on its way. I don't feel fearful. I feel like my life journey is just beginning. So I don't have a fear of success. I have an excitement for success. So I just know that I'm in the right space and I'm in the right place and I'm being looked after, and I just, fear of success, it's just not there. Compared to other courses, there's no comparison. I've done quite a few different courses. This course, for me, I believe the best thing about this course was I got to experience what I was going to deliver. To somebody who's thinking about coming and doing the course, doing Creatrix, if you're on that pathway and you want to change and you're rolling yourself getting there and getting there, I wouldn't stop and make a decision of any other course, because no other course works in this manner. And to understand that, you have to come to the course, because I didn't know much about what I was getting into, but I'd read bits and pieces and it just resonated with me. So wholeheartedly, if somebody's going in that direction, I would definitely come and do this course.